nasty night out there. There's all kinds of other concerts and stuff happening, but we don't care because we're here at the Fairview having ourselves a good time. This next band is called the Two Shirts Trio. As you can see, we're not even close to being a trio anymore. But that's just because we keep on expanding. We started out as a trio and now I guess we're a quintet. But I'm sticking with the Two Shirts Trio because for me it stands for Roots Rock Reggae!
See the train is coming now. See the train is coming, baby. See the train is coming now. Look how long I've been waiting for you. Oh yeah. Now the time has come when it's between me and you. Oh yeah. See the train is coming, baby. Train is coming now, now, now. See the train is coming, baby. And I'm leaving on the train. Lord, see the train is coming, baby. See the train is coming now. See the train is coming, baby. See the train is coming now. Every day I wait.
See the train is coming, baby. See the train is coming down.